you're looking to get a funded account but don't fully understand the rules, this video is going to break down everything for you. I cover exactly how everything works, what you need to pass, and the key rules that can either make your money or get you disqualified. A lot of traders fail not because of their strategy, but because they don't follow the rules properly, like consistency and drawdown. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the zero plan, standard plan, and advanced plans and explain the differences. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly what to expect and what to avoid common mistakes a lot of people make. Let's get right into it. For the zero plan, it's $99 a month till you pass. And yes, you might say this is very expensive, but don't worry, I have a link down below, first link, and you can get a nice discount to it. So starting it off, evaluation. So minimum days to pass this account, you literally need 1 day. You can make 3K in 1 day and you pass. It's honestly as simple as that. There's no consistency rule. It's a 1 day pass. So profit target. Of course, you need to make $3,000. If you can make $3,000, then you get moved on from the evaluation to the qualified phase where you can start collecting payouts. Maximum position size is 3 contracts or 30 mini contracts if you're trading the NASDAQ. Maximum drawdown is $2,000. Guys, if you lose $2,000, then essentially you lose the account. It sucks, but it is what it is. Then the reset is $79. So you do get a little discount from the $99 that you initially pay. $79 reset fee, and you cannot lose more than $1,000 in one single day. If you lose $1,000, don't worry, it's not a rule break. You just have to wait one full trading day. Consistency rule, as I said, nothing. Max allocated accounts, none. And hold through news, absolutely. You know what that means, full porting CPI. So once you make 3K in profit, you are then moved from the evaluation to the qualified phase. This is where you can start collecting payouts. So you have to have a total of 5 winning days. Once you have a total of 5 winning days, then you are eligible for a payout. Scaling plan, 3 contracts or 30 minis. That's more than what you need. Maximum drawdown is $2,000 till you reach the buffer. Profit split, 90%. So you keep 90% and they keep 10%. Maximum loss guard, you cannot lose $1,000. Of course, that's once you get your buffer. Consistency rule is 40%. So do keep that in mind. Do not make more than 30% of your total payout. And you can have a total of 3 accounts. So now let's get more into the technicals. So you can collect a payout every single week as long as you make a total of 5 winning days of $200 plus. No, they do not need to be consistent as long as you have 5 winning days. Now, trading days required. 5 winning days, as I said, per payout. So you can technically collect a payout every single week. You must follow 40% consistency rule of whatever your payout request is. After 30 winning days, you can collect your full withdrawal. So that's honestly very beautiful. As I said, 90% split. And minimum account balance has to be $200. Maximum cannot be more than $1,500. And if you're doing the 10K, then it's 3K. Do keep in mind though, below 30 winning days, you can only collect up 50% of your balance at a time. If you want to take out 100% of your balance, you have to have a total of 3 winning days. Hopefully this is still making sense. Let's move on to the standard plan now. As you can see, the standard plan for the 50K is $79 a month. It is much cheaper, but do keep in mind, you do have an activation fee of approximately $146. So for the evaluation phase, this is a little different. You have to have a total of 2 winning days and you have to have a profit target of $3,000. But do keep in mind, you do have a 50% consistency rule. So 50% of 3K is 1.5. You cannot make more than 1.5 in one single day. Maximum position size, 5 contracts, which is also 50 minis. That is more than what you need. Maximum drawdown, same thing, 2,000. And reset fee, of course, it is much cheaper, $59 if you do hit that $2,000 drawdown. Daily loss guard, you can lose the whole account in 1 day, no problem. And of course, you could hold through news. So once you make that 3K, you're moved on to the qualifying phase. This is where you can start collecting payouts once again. So minimum trading days, 3 instead of 5. So 3, that's much better. Scaling plan, 5 contracts, guys. More than what you need. It's 50 mini contracts. Maximum drawdown is $2,000, 70-90% split. So a little more strict on that. Daily loss guard, $1,000 till of course you reach that buffer. And consistency rule is 40%, just like the other account. Max allocated accounts are 3 accounts, so you can stack up to 3. Once again, let's get into the technicals. Payout frequency. Every single week, after 3 winning days of $200 plus, you can collect a payout. No, they do not need to be consistent. Trading days required, 3 winning days per payout. Again, still a 40% consistency rule. After 30 winning days total of $200 plus, you can collect full 100% of your balance. 70-90 split. Minimum payout required is $200. So guys, that's honestly nothing. So anything before 30 winning days, it's 50% of your total payout amount. And after 30 winning days, it's 100% of your account. For the advanced plan, as you can see, the price is a bit more expensive because this is more for the more experienced traders. For the evaluation fees, minimum trading days is 2 days, profit target 4,000, maximum position size 5 contracts or 50 minis, more than what you need. Maximum drawdown 1,750, profit split, of course, is nothing. Reset fee 139. So it is the same, unfortunately. Daily loss guard, you can lose the account in 1 day. Consistency rule is 5%. 50%, sorry. Maximum allocated accounts, as many as you would like. So once you make that 4K, you're moved on to the qualifying phase. This is where you can start collecting payouts once again. 5 total winning days, 5 contracts or 50 minis. Cannot lose more than $1,750. So try your best. Profit target, well, profit split is 90%. Reset fee, of course, is nothing. Daily loss guard, nothing. Consistency rule, nothing. So you can literally full port this and collect a crazy payout. Max allocated accounts is 3 total accounts. And of course, you can hold through news. If you don't know already, let's get back into the technicals. So you can collect a payout every single week after 5 winning days of $200 plus. No, they do not need to be consistent. I hope you know this by now. Trading days required, 5 days per payout. No consistency rule. After 30 days, 100% of your balance. Profit split is 90%. Minimum account balance needed to collect a payout is $200. Withdrawal limits. If you don't know already, before 30 days, 50% of your profits. After 30 days, 100% of your profits. So I hope this made sense to you. I hope you know what account you want to get now. Of course, as I said, I have a link down below. You get a nice discount to all of these account sizes. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. Leave a like, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Peace.